First. Hindi ka pa nakapasok? Hindi ka pa naka-ano?
Ito na.
Ay natin.
What is your name?
Just only I change it.
I don't know. Okay, I'll see.
Pangit yung wang. Hindi naman makakunit yung wang.
Len.
Hello.
How much is $2?
$2. 100.
I try.
Any dollar? Di piso.
No, I cannot.
Why di pesos?
Because PayPal, I cannot.
Kung ano mo gamit mo PayPal.
have. PayPal, not PayMaya.
You hold it.
You see this?
At PayPal. Ba't ang credit ka? You say hi to your fans.
Hello. I already said.
Ba't hindi ka?
You see, $2 plus tax.
I look.
Because I connected it. You see this.
Ba't wala dito kay Grace? You know.
Oh. No, you go yours.
Ang daming ano. Hi, simply, you read it. You read it her name.
Hello, po Horts. What's the name?
His name, you read it.
Po Horts.
Huh? You read it her name.
Hello, po Horts.
Let me read it. Let me see.
No more already. Po Horts. No, 知道是 Hello, po Horts. Who name is yours?
Lotong probinsya. Hoy! Sabi niyo, basahin mo nga. Merong message. You read it. Hoy! Hoy, Karin!
Hello, po Horts. See here. Ron, you read. Oh, no more already. See here. Hello, po Horts.
Hello po, host.
Horts.
Host.
Oh. Yeah, right. Host.
You're the say hello.
hi.
Yeah. Because you're the one holding it. So you're the host. So you say hi.
Who is H-O-L?
Host. Nas.
Hello, po Host. Hello, hot po. Sisi. Look, Sisi.
Then what can you reply if someone message you? Ha 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 ha.
Hi guys. Hello po hot. I'm serious.
Hindi ko talaga na.
Hello po hot again.
Sino yan?
You say
Who's
hello.
that?
Hello po. You say.
Hi beautiful.
Sino yan?
You say
Who's
hello.
that?
Hello po. You say
Hi beautiful.
hello po. You answer back.
감사합니다.
You answer back. Hello po.
Hot.
No, don't say
Ang
hello.
tagal mo, dali. Dali ang mga yan.
I'm waiting for my.
Mali pang password.
Yeah, I don't remember. Hello po host. There is a host.
Hi, beautiful. Listen, hi, beautiful.
You say already.
Yeah, hello ka. Hi, beautiful. Listen. Hi, guapo. Listen. You
Hi
say,
crazy.
guapo is handsome. Listen, hi, guapo.
Hello handsome.
No, you say guapo.
Guapo. What did I say? You don't teach me the wrong thing.
Look, you read. Lutong probinsya. Hello, guapo, you said. She said to you, girl.
Are you singer? Can I have your contact?
We are using you. You hold it properly. Don't make it up.
No, because I'm black. You know I'm singer. Hello, hot pot.
Si Grace, hindi pwede mo ano yun. Hindi pa tapos?
Hey, you right. Coming also. Something. Oh, I know. Right.
Hello sa two watching there. What is your another?
Ayo! Almost dropped. My hands so sweat.
Shout out to all watching. You said shout out to all people there watching.
Hello, Pohots. Come out.
Yeah, it's okay. You can use my other account. Look, other account, please.
My hand is tired.
Give me.
It's okay.
You me.
What is it? Shout out. What is it? Shout out. Wow!
Hoy. Lotong probe. What's our olam for the day?
Pohots, I meet you. So how many? Two? Only two person watch.
You need to talk so all people will watch you. Talk so all people will watch you.
3 person. No, stuck. The VPN is gonna.
Do I need to add you first? I mean, do I need to follow
No.
Hey!
your account?
Hi sis Nelia, Oyarakam, good evening din sa'yo. Pakain, tapos na ang kain.
Kaya lang kami nagkita-kita.
Dalian mo yan.
She said, really close.
Hello, guys.
Hindi naman loading sis. No loading at all.
Wala yan ang VPN yan.
VPN, ba't bang VPN sa Pinas?
She lazy to watch this way. She keep finding the problem.
What is your YouTube channel?
Len.
What is it?
Gini?
Just tell me, I mean,
Len.
no more. Just Lender.
And
You read it? Oh. Made in Taiwan. Hello. Hello. You read it.
Sis hop.
May ads ka na. Yes, sis. You read it.
My ads kana yes. What is this quick? Enjoy.
Enjoy kayo.
Enjoy kayo.
Salamat po.
Salamat ah.
Salamat po.
Salamat po. Hahaha. Bakit?
Bakit? Anong bakit sis? Ano, made in Taiwan.
I buy $2 plus tax.
So, you try it. How much?
No, I'm trying. It's loading.
Grabe ka loading jud sis. Wala man loading diri sis. Di man loading diri. You read it. What's that?
Grace guapa. Busy.
Busy? Busy ito, busy. Lagi mong
Say hello one time, please.
salamat. Salamat sa
Why? It keeps saying
Tamsak.
that my password is
What's that?
invalid.
Tamsak. Yeah?
You read it.
Tamsak.
What is tamsak? What is tamsak?
I don't know.
You read it. Sino kasama mo host? Ito pinaka-beautiful made in where are you from?
I'm from Philippines.
India. It's from India, based in Sri Lanka. Ito galing sa Sri Lanka, sis. Ito galing India. Is you from India?
Hahaha. Post.
Haha, host
Post.
she.
Pakien.
Teen Family Vlogs. Hello sis, pakain. Ito, kain tayo.
Guys.
Wala nang laman. O, inubos nito.
Eh, this live, can you share it to my YouTube channel? Like video? I mean like Facebook live?
No. Either you can share it.
Also, you must subscribe on my channel. Hey guys.
Okay guys, subscribe channel. Dalian mo yan. Kanina ka pa dyan.
It's
Ano dyan, nanood.
Already 7:09.
Oh, bilisan mo.
wala nga ayaw. Kailangan ko ipasa ng credit.
Wait,
Already 12 minutes, you're not yet done.
It's okay, so that you will have more viewers.
You go faster, the time is running.
hello everyone. Hello girls.
Hello, sis Nelia. Shout out sa iyo, sis.
Nice to meet you.
He's from India. He's from Sri Lanka. Tycoon from Turkey. Sino nga dyan? Nilag? Oo, naglalag nga. Oo nga, naglalag nga dito. Pero dito, wala naman dito dalag.
Pero sa akin din nagdala.
Oo, naglalag dito. Bilisan mo nga yan, para matapos na to.
Ito ngayon nahanap ko yung debit card, yung card ko.
Kasi siya na naglalag. Ito kasi ang tagal nag-ano, may inano kami.
So it's my fault now.
Naglalag nga dito, oh.
Okay, hindi ko na prepare, hindi ko na mahanap yun.
I have 3 Gmail,
Then
but
subscribe.
one is I haven't tried. It's long time ago when I go to Singapore.
What?
Gmail.
Ha?
Gmail.
Gmail? Gmail. Hello, Dian Chen, 6 thumbs up.
Oh, my head is painful. Wow.
Pahag po dito sa channel ni ma'am. Yes, pahag daw sabi ni Frank. You read it.
Which one?
The last one.
You tell
Such
them
an
that have me
irony,
too.
ma'am. Such an irony, ma'am.
You just have me too.
We chat.
I cannot find my account.
Hello, Pring.
Sa PayPal mo,
Funniest
hindi naman?
joke.
Ba't hindi mo ma-open yung
Hello,
PayPal mo?
Sis Nelia.
Hindi gamit ko kasi yun.
Yung PayPal na para madali. Hanap ka pa ng invitation. Hello, Frank Panis. Go, you bought it, you. Super
Remove
chat.
with this.
Hindi kasi pwede kasi si ano.
Yeah, I already received. You see? I already received.
Oh, so you link in your PayPal. You hold it properly, Grace.
Oh, my hair is painful already, girl.
You read it the comment.
No comment right now.
Don't stop it. You read it the comment. Phone is invalid. PayPal ba to?
Sorry.
Oh. Pimaya.
I have PayPal. That's what I'm saying.
You use your Pimaya.
PayPal, yeah. I
Yeah.
cannot. Only PayPal can.
Oo nga, wala. Hindi. Hello guys. Hello, hello. You refresh it. You refresh first. You refresh. Refresh. No, you refresh. No, just tap there so you can see the. Oh, this one.
Now, you see.
Send already. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Tingnan mo. Well, shout out sa iyo. Oh, 102.
1.70 peso.
Magkano?
PHP. This
1.
with reference number balance 370.
1.2. Ay,
Now,
salamat sa nag-donate. Ito.
ayan. Yung isa. Yakap ko rin kayo.
Why you stop it?
You know what?
Now, I can't, it won't work. So, where
Paano ginawa mo yung PayPal mo? Hindi pala pwede Pimaya mag-donate sa Pimaya.
this, show me your PayMaya.
Pwede ba?
Show me. I think
Shout out sa iyo, Rona Rain. Nagbigay ng $2. Oh, ang laki no? $2. Paano?
Hug niyo ako para bigyan ko kayo ng $1.
Ayaw niya hawakan.
PayMaya. Where's PayMaya?
Hindi na
Vlog take over.
sabihin mo, i-promote mo yung channel mo.
I'm promoting my shampoo. Maui no?
Tingnan mo, may 102. $2.
Is that right?
Ah.
Your viewer is out. And then go to the here.
Ayusin mo nga yan.
Oh, I'm sorry. Where's your card? This one?
Lengthy Maya card mo.
Where's
Wala.
your card?
What's card? No more card.
You don't have? If you have, then you can put it on PayPal.
What kind of card?
This one.
Card in ayus.
this PayPal.
Your card already here.
So you have?
This one.
Yeah. This one.
This one?
Yeah, and then you link it to PayPal.
Wow.
So this is MasterCard. You see?
Oh.
So MasterCard, and then
this
you can use it on your YouTube, and then the money from your YouTube you can get it here.
Really?
Yeah. You try.
Okay, later I will try it. Yan guys. At yan lang guys ang tatapusin natin kasi yan lang ang inano namin. Subscribe to their channel.
Yakapan tayo pero magano ako sa YouTube.
Sige guys, bye-bye.
Now we go.